So this was the first grade school I went to when it was Tinkham Elementary as opposed to whatever the heck it is now. And there's a what do you call it? Beehivery around back. Beehivery is not the right word, but I want to check on it out of curiosity, see if they're keeping it up or if they've let it grow over or what the heck is going on. Beehivery? That's totally wrong. Why can't I remember the right word for this? Morning.
Good morning.
Well, they're calling it a garden and beehive. And I'll walk around. I'm not sure if these are active or not. I do see bees swarming around them, so maybe they are. Huh. Well, let's get back on track here.